Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2020 Range Rover Sport, and we're going to do the rear chrome delete install for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just a regular rear chrome panel piece, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we're using the gloss black material, that way it matches the color scheme of the vehicle and gives it a sportier look as well. If you like the product, the link for the product will be down in the description below. And with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before we start with the installation, we want to make sure we prep the panel. So make sure it's clean and remove any contaminants or any dirt that it may have. And once you're done, make sure that the whole panel is dry before we start with the installation. Okay, so once you finish prepping the panel, now we can start with the installation. With this one, I recommend starting from the middle. That way we align this section to each panel first. So align it on one end, and then make sure you adjust it and align it on the other end. So it should be like that. And now you're covering everything. And now once we've tacked it down, you should have material to cover this edge, and also material to cover in this end. If you happen to not have enough material on both ends, it might be that it's not aligned correctly. So just make sure you align it first here and then move on with the rest of the install. So now grab your squeegee, tack down this whole middle panel. And most of the material here you can tuck in between the gap here. So that's the good thing about this piece, that you're able to tuck in any material, and then just in case there's not much you could tuck in, then the rest you can just trim off with your blade. And then start working from the middle and make your way to each section. And if you are struggling tacking down, let's say for example on the curved areas, don't worry, you could just apply heat, and the heat will help the adhesive activate faster and tack down to the curved areas. Okay, now that we tacked down most of the film, now we can use our heat gun to heat around the areas where it still needs to be tacked down. And then once we finish tacking down everything, the last thing to do is trim, and then after that we will post heat. So once you finish trimming off all the excess material, the last thing to do is just post heat all around. That way the adhesive on the film starts activating and it stays to the panel and it doesn't lift over time. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the rear chrome delete panel for the 2020 Range Rover Sport. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.